Do you want to get into watch building or watch modding? You've clicked on the right video. This is just a quick video to show you what tools you'll need to get started. A basic set. It doesn't need to be anything special, so watch on. I'll put some links in the description of this video, so be sure to check them out. Enjoy the video and good luck with your first build. Basic tools to get going are case opening ball, some finger gloves, or just some regular gloves. To keep all your parts clean, you'll need some regular pliers like this one here, some side cutter pliers for trimming down the stem. You'll need some tweezers. Ceramic tipped ones are also really good for the hands and things, so these are the good ones to use. A movement holder, like these ones here. I use the round one a lot. It suits the NH movements and it's in the links in the descriptions. You can also get these style here, which you can clamp up on different movements and things. Some hand presser tools. These are used to push on the hands. You can get a more expensive version, but these will get you started. You'll need an O-ring greasing tool, like this one here. It's just a container with some grease in it. You put the O-ring in there. This is always handy. It's a watch pad. It sits on it, just prevents scratches and things on your casings. This is a dust blower. It's really handy for cleaning out all the dust inside the watch. You'll need a Lupe or something, a magnifying glass to see what you're doing up close. These are really handy for that. You'll need a pin or a tool like this to get the pins out of your bracelets and actually help you resize them. When you buy a strap or bracelet, they usually come with these anyway, so that's really handy. You'll need some calipers. This just helps measuring down the crown when you need to cut it down. So that's basically it. It's not a lot of tools to get started. It's low cost. You can get them on AliExpress and the likes. Links in the description. Check them out. Next steps for you is watch the related video about building this awesome watch here. Check it out and don't forget to like and subscribe if you got value. Thank you.